Hi friends, I am Uday Sagar Kandpal and I am back here with yet another video on Java using Netbeans IDE. In past few lectures we are talking about string. So here in this lecture also we'll talk about string. So the topic for today is how to find a duplicate character in a string and report it. So let's begin or start right away. But before that, to all my new viewers, I would like to ask them to subscribe to my channel, to like my videos and comment and share and press the bell icon. So let's begin. Public static void report duplicates, and we can name report duplicate characters. We will pass a string here, string s. So first of all we will create a int array count equals to new int character dot max value plus 1, and we will just place a loop here. So for int I equals to 0, I smaller than s dot length I plus plus. So we are going to traverse the string, and counts of s dot char at I, we are keeping record of the count of the string to count the duplicates. So now we will just traverse the string again, but this time we will not traverse the string but the counts of the string. So int I equals to 0, I smaller than counts dot length I plus plus, if the condition is if the character is repeating more than once. If counts I greater than 1, then print character. So we will print character I is printed counts I times. So this way we have kept a record of all the characters that are being recorded. So let's have a string here apple, and let's have a function here, function call here report string 1, and we need not use the system.out.println as we are printing as it is. So let's now run this function. So it is saying that character P occurs 2 times. What if apple is a fruit? We write, so character space occurs 3 times, character A occurs 2 times, character I occurs 2 times, character P occurs 2 times. So it will keep a track record of every character that is present in the Java character set in the Unicode format, because we have taken a array size of character dot max value. So all the possible values of characters would be recorded in this. So you can take a look at this function. This is universal function kind of for reporting all the characters that are present in Java character set. So this is proportional to the length of the string, the time, and this is fixed for the strings or all the strings. So it would take O of n time for that matter, and it will definitely print out all the characters that are available more than once in the string. That means the duplicate characters in the string. Either the string is a sentence or the string is a word or even an alphabet. So hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching it. Bye bye.